Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to share screen on Google Meet. So first of all, what you have to do is simply join the meeting in Google Meet. If you do not know how to do that, simply launch open Google Meet or simply launch open any browser of your choice and click on the search bar and type in meet.google.com. After that, either you'll be able to create the meeting yourself or you'll be able to join the meeting. You can see over here I've already joined the meeting. Once you do that, in order to share the screen, what you have to do is look right over here. You'll be able to find several icons. This is the icon for presenting the screen now. So simply click on this icon. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to share your screen and you'll be able to choose what to share. You'll be able to find the options like Chrome tab, window, entire screen. So if you want to share one of the Chrome tabs, simply click on the option Chrome tab. Now you'll be able to select the tab that you want to share. Likewise, if you want to share the window, simply click on the option window. Now you'll be able to select the window of your choice. Likewise, if you want to share the entire screen, click on the option entire screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to share the entire screen. If you want to share the audio too, this feature is not available for window and entire screen. But if you're sharing the Chrome tab, simply click on the option Chrome tab. Click on the Chrome tab that you want to share. Now you'll be able to share the audio too. Simply make sure also share tab audio is toggled on right over here. Now you'll be able to share the audio. Now after choosing what to share, what you have to do is click on the share option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular screen will be shared. So like this, you'll be able to share the screen. So that is how you share screen on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.